Here's a video of the Mavic 4 Pro and the MasterShots.
MasterShots is a series of video clips shot at different distances and heights. And here you can see I've got into the MasterShots now, I've clicked on it, and now I need to put a box around me so I'm the target. It's also got subject scanning on it as well, that's what the cross. So we're counting down 1, 0 and away we go. The first shot is of flying backwards and rising. So we're going backwards. You can see in the bottom left hand corner the route. Now we're going around in a circle and climbing slightly. As you can see, it's going up. It's a circle to the left. Now we've got a circle to the right now. It's coming around again and maintaining the same height. It's coming down a little bit on this one, slightly to this point. Then it's going to go backwards, so it's going to be a Dronie, rising and flying backwards. You can see bottom left the path now. And when it gets to this corner here, it's going to go left circle, but it's going to maintain the same height on that circle there. This one now is pitch up, fly forward, and then it's going to come underneath. The gimbal is going to come back up towards me and pick me out there. Now it's doing a rocket. That's the next movement. And you can see top left the actual screen, what it looks like, but then we've got rocket over the top of me. Then it's going to do a camera down and circle. So the camera's at -90 looking straight down and circling round me. Now camera straight up to 0 angle looking forward, and the drone is now dropping down, coming towards the end, 94–95% of the shots. MasterShots is now complete. Hope that's been helpful. Happy flying. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel or watch the next video in the playlist or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded.